Always
Yes, sir.
trade in isolated.
Yes.
Always trade in isolated. God bless you. The difference between isolated and cross is this. If you are trading in cross, it shows that you've automatically given them the privilege to trade with all your trading capital on futures trading, on futures accounts. Even if you have $100 on your future account and you decide $20 to enter a trade and you've chosen cross, don't disturb yourself. You've told them that they should use all your $100 for that trade because you are choosing cross. And even if
Give to you my everything. I've made your will to be my will. Take over.
even if peradventure you still send another money, even if peradventure you still send another money to your futures account, you still send another money to your futures account, automatically it is going to still trade with all of that capital. That is cross. And that is why you should always use isolated. Isolated will only trade with the designed amount that you decide to trade with. After then, you are going to see the leverage, which is currently on 8x. The leverage, the higher the leverage, the higher your profit. The higher your leverage, the higher your risk. That is leverage. After that, you see buy. Buy means long. When the signal comes long so coin, it means you are going to be clicking on buy. If the signal comes short so coin, it means you are going to be clicking on sell. Sell short, buy long. Now let us go to the main discussion of the day, and that is limit. The first thing you see there is limit. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If a signal comes and says your entry, limit entry, it shows you are going to be leaving it as limit, like this. Now, what is the meaning of limit? It's for us to buy at a cheaper rate, as in the case of long, and sell at a higher rate, as in the case of short. It's as simple as that. And if the signal comes at limit entry, beneath the limit entry, you see that it's 0.1486. Whatever that is on the signal as your limit entry, you are going to erase this and put it there. I hope that is clear.
Yeah.
The second one of limits, and we are going to see the numerous options it's going to bring for us.
I've done that.
It's not displaying here. Click on limits.
We can see it.
We have stocks only. We have market. We have stock limit. We have stock market.
Anyways, I'm not saying anything here. But the second one, and I need to see it because that is the only way I can make reference to some things. But it's not displaying on my dashboard here. So, if that is the case, the second thing we'll be talking about is the market. Change the limit to market.
I've done that.
A signal comes and say long whatever coin at CN. If a signal comes and say long whatever coin at CNP, the meaning of CNP is current market price. It shows that once you click on market, you change your limit to market. Just put your stop loss, put your take profit, swipe the amount that you are going to use and set your order. You are not inserting any unit as entry. The instruction comes at long or short at current market price. All you need to do in that trade is change your cross to isolated, adjust your leverage, no matter whatever the leverage that you want to use, change your limit to market. On the amount, swipe to the whatever amount that you want to use. Insert your stop loss, insert your take profit. If the signal is long, click on buy. If the signal is short, click on sell. Then set your order. It's as simple as that. That one is the market. It shows that you want to buy at the current price of that coin. That one is clear. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now the third one, that is the stop limit. Stop limit. The signal has been dropping. Like the signals has been dropping for stop limit entry, and I can see that majority will get it. And it's so unfortunate that I'm not seeing the dashboard of this person, and I need to see it so I can explain how to insert on stop limit entry as well. This is so unfortunate. What should I prove? Right, good. I've seen it now. You can see. Let me tell you the implication of stop limit. Now, the implication of stop limit is that, let's say that you want to short a coin now. Please listen very well here. Please listen attentively here. In case of stop limit, let's say that TRB, for example. Please listen. Don't tell me that you are not getting it. Let's say that you want to short TRB now, and the current market price of TRB is $60, and you want to short at $55, or your entry is below the current market price. Please take this very serious. The entry is below the, okay, this is TRB now. Let's say that TRB, as it is now, it is on $50, and you want to short, and your entry said you short at $49. If you go and use limit and short at $49, your order will trigger immediately. That's why some people will be running to my DM and say, boss, my order has triggered, when the order is yet to trigger, because you are using limit. Limit, there's another implication of limit. Limit is you want to short when the price is higher than the current market price. But now, the current market price is higher, and you want to short at a price lower than the current market price. If you go and use limit, the market will automatically tell you that since you want to short at below price and the price is above, then this is an advantage for you. Then let me just trigger your order, and you stand the risk of losing your phone, because there is a strong indication for us that do technical analysis. There is a strong indication that if the coin reaches $49, as in the case of TRB, that is when the coin is going to drop very well. That is why our entry is there. So if you now say, since they said we should short at $49 and the coin is at $50, it's of advantage for me now. That $50, there's no strong indication. The pump might continue, and immediately trigger your entry at $50, or whatever case, it is going to be keep longing, and you are going to be losing your phone. But there's going to be a strong selling zone at $49, and that's why we say, okay, we have to short at $49 when the current market price is at $50. So if you go and use limit in that case, it will trigger your order immediately, and you are going to lose your money. In that case, our current market price, our entry is below the current market price, and we want to short. What do you do there? It's not difficult. Just change to stop limit entry. My signal will come like that. Stop limit entry. Just change your limit to stop limit entry. And the first one you see is stop USDT. On that stop USDT, you are going to insert the entry I put on the signal. Let's say I put 49.00 on the signal as entry. You just insert 49.00 there. The second one is limit USDT. you are still going to put 49.00 there. The two interface are for entry. After that, you see amount. That's where you are going to swipe to whatever amount that you want to swipe to.
My soul says yes.
Then you insert your take profit. Then you insert your stop loss.
My heart is yours.
Then you are going to set your order the way you set the other order. But immediately you set your order, it is going to be an open order and your USDT will not be deducted yet because it is stop limit entry. You can still use that USDT for anything else because it is a stop limit entry thing. It is not going to pick your USDT until the trade triggers. That is the case of shorts now. Let's go for the case of a long. Let's say that the current market price is low and we want to long, and let's say we want to long BTC now. The current market price is $23,000, and we said that our entry is $24,000. It shows that our entry is up. You are going to set your entry at a lower price for long. That is the limit. For the short, when the current market price is high, or is it high? Yeah, when the current market price is low and you want to short at higher price, that is for limit. But it is just more than opposite for the stop limit. The stop limit is when you want to long and the current market price is, you want to long in stop limit and the current market price is low. Yeah, and the current market price is low. You have to wait for it to pump to certain point before you can enter your long. That is for the long. Short, as in the case of stop limit, the current market price is high. You want it to break down, come down before you can trigger your short. It is just word and opposite for the two. So for the purpose of this session, that is the three entries that we are going to be using as far as Binance is concerned. I hope we all get it now.
Yes.
People are bored. Crypto now your mate.
Yeah, that's your point.
We are getting.
Of course, I'm going to use my bybit now as an example. I just use Binance first. And you know, I don't have a Binance account anymore for now. My Binance is restricted. That is why I'm unable to use my Binance. That's why I said somebody should share us with my Binance. For now, I'm going to use my bybit as an example. In that case, let's go.
Okay.
I hope you guys are seeing my bybit, right?
We are seeing your
Yes, sir.
fine. Is that person your wife?
Are you guys seeing it?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you are seeing
Yes.
it.
You guys are seeing it, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. So this is the first one I explained was for the Binance users. This one is for we, the Bybit users.
Yeah,
So if you are
yeah.
somebody that use any other exchange, apologies to you guys, but I want to assure you it is the same all over. It's the same all over. There is no much difference between them all. So don't get perplexed. Don't get like, what is this? It is all the same. So now this is, you guys are seeing my interface, right? This is AVAX,
Yes,
USD. You can see isolated 25x. Now
Yes, sir.
you can see limit, right? I've clicked on limit now. After limit, what do you see? You see market.
Yes, sir. Yes.
That is if you want to enter at current market price. I explained that on Binance as well. That is the same thing. But the stop limit entry on Binance, are you guys hearing me now? If the snap comes as stop limit entry, the way that you click on stop limit on Binance is the same way you come and click at conditional at Bybit.
Okay.
You just click on conditional like this. You can see, simple. The first one, which is the trigger price, you are going to put your entry the same way you do on Binance. The second one, which is order price, you are going to still put your entry again, as the case of Binance. Then you put your you swipe your quantity to whatever end that you want to swipe it to. Then you insert your take profit and stop loss. Then you click on whether it is buy long or it is sell short. I hope you get that now.
Yes, sir. Yes.
The only difference between them is on bybit it is limit. On Binance it is limit. On bybit it is market. On Binance it is market. On bybit it is conditional. On Binance it is top limit. So that is just the difference. And I've explained to you guys the implication of all these all together. I've explained the implication of them all together for you guys. And there are still some things that I'll still be explaining when you have a trade running. What are those things I'll be explaining there is I will explain how to take partial profits. I will explain risk of stop loss and so on and so forth. But that is not going to be based on today's webinar. It's going to be tomorrow or I think on Monday, as the case may be. We already have our schedule. But today, this is what we want to be talking about. The practical example of all these things and the implication of them all. But I think I've done justice enough to explain to you guys the meaning, the implication of all these terminologies. If the signal comes long, short, at current market price, you are going to change your limit to market. And you are going to start your take profit and stop loss. And you are going to change whether it's buy or short or buy or sell. Long. Then after that, you are going to insert your quantity, then you set your order. As simple as that. If it is going to be limit, the signal will put it at limit entry. If it is long, the implication is that we want to buy at a cheaper rate. We want to wait for the coin to come down so that it can trigger our entry, as the case of long. If it is the case of short, it shows that we want to wait for the price to move up so we can sell at an higher rate. That is limit. The reverse is the case of stop limit or conditional, as the case may be. The stop limit, if you want to long, it shows that you have to wait for the price to still go up a bit before you can long. That is where there is an assertion. That is where there is a testament. That is where there is a verification that if the trade you get to this point, you are going to keep longing. That was the case of the TRB that I dropped then. I said we should enter TRB at $27 entry when the current market price of TRB was just $23. If the case is a short, it shows that we have to wait for the price to still break down more before we can take our shots. This is just simple stuff, but you need to put the right peg in the right hole so as to enjoy these things more. I hope we all get it now.
Yes, sir.
So this is for the purpose of tonight's webinar, and as a matter of fact, I want to implore urge each and every one of us to take note of everything that has been discussed today. Like I said, the question and answer session will be complete for a day. So just be jotting down your questions that you have, and I'm going to be entertaining them all by then. But for now, we need to be more proactive in making sure that we actualize and accomplish our aim. We are getting closer to the top.
I've made your will to be my will. Take over, take over. You can have my heart, have my life. Take all of my mind.
So we are getting closer to the purpose of the webinar. And the purpose of the webinar is that risk of stop loss, partial profit, how to compound your capital, and how to flip your capital in the next 3 months. But all these things are going to expand in my life. They are going to be the basic block. They are going to be the one that will orchestrate our sojourn, our trip expedition. So, and I hope and believe that you guys are not in any way fantastic by all these cryptonic enunciations. So it's just like you guys should get yourself familiarized. All these things they are saying today, like it's just for you guys to understand. Okay, what is the implication of this? What is the meaning of this? Why is this one here? Why is this one here? What is the purpose of this? What I'm using this for? Then a single error can jeopardize everything that you do. Instead of you to do stop limit, use limit, your work will be jeopardized. Instead of you to market, your work will be jeopardized. And the mistake in futures to me is highly catastrophic and might not be easily reversible in as much as your phone is informed. So please and please, I want to tell you guys to take every measure very serious. And once you do all this, put your right leg in the right hand. What you are saying that the sky is like what crypto needs major is just discipline. Just be disciplined. You don't worry. Tell the story of myself. I think that is part of the Monday's webinar. Tell how my journey on to how to plan my experience, everything I've said about it. I've learned a lot of it. I've learned a whole lot of things. I've lost a whole lot of money. But that is not for the purpose of today. So, the aspect of everything is for us to come out at the end of this week and achieve something. Implement what we've achieved, and then the result visibly seen by the blind, audibly heard by deaf. That is the purpose of this webinar. So, long story short, I want to congratulate each and every one of you guys again for being part of this webinar. And I want to assure you guys that with discipline, patience, controlling of breathing, and not being an emotional trigger, you are always going to be smiling and thanking God for choosing crypto ahead of every other online or digital skills that you know. So once again, I remain your humble host, the CEO of your academy, and I wish each and every one of us a very great and wonderful day. But if you have anything to add or to chip in, not question, remember, I'm not entertaining myself for now. Just be piling down those questions for me. I have the morale. I have the charisma to entertain every question, any form of question. So for now, not to gyrate from the main course of the webinar. The question and answer session should be at the end of the webinar. It should not be during the course of the webinar. If not, we are going to be digressing the main point. We still have like 6-7 minutes. We have one or two things to say.
Little contribution I want to make. Little.
Okay.
Sir, when next you are having this lecture, please can you make your screen a bit bold, as bolder than this, that we'll be able to see very well. Some of us are not seeing, though we are following based on the way you're talking. I'll go to my bybit or Binance, so I'll be following like that. But I want a situation whereby I'll be seeing you already. I don't think that will be possible. Thank you, sir.
No problem. It's well noted. No problem.
Father.
So, do you have anyone that has questions?
Okay, go first.
Yes, to fee. Hope you are hearing.
I actually have something to say.
Okay, so I'm coming.
Okay, I wanted to ask if there is like, if you have a YouTube channel or anything like a video that can, also replicate what you just did just now, because I've not traded futures before and it's kind of complex for me, although I'm familiar with spot trading. And swapping coins on pancake swap, but these features on have not actually done it before, so I don't know if what's it called, you have videos. Okay, you have a video. Alright,
Now you can just message me for the video. I have the video of just trade.
alright, thank you.
So, do we have any other contribution?
Fee.
Sir, that video, I don't know when. Sir, can you hear me? Okay, sir. I also suggest that if you're giving that video, I'll be interested because I'll need that video also.
Yes, sir.
No problem.
My own contribution is about the time, please. Are you hearing me? Yeah. Please, can you adjust the time to maybe around 8:15? Sometimes before I left the mosque, the webinar is already on, and I just missed some things. You understand?
I'm also listening.
Yeah.
I'm not because of religion. I'm a devout Muslim.
Yeah, I understand.
But religion, like some, we have Christians and Muslims as well.
Okay.
So if you are to give you are to give excuse that is the Lord that goes to they can actually give excuse that want to go for devotion or church service.
Sure.
In that case, you won't be able to utilize our name. And
Okay.
as far as I have my knowledge about my religion, one should not, because of his own convenience, inconvenient another person. That is one of the religion. So I as well think of it, and that's why I shifted the webinar from 7:45 to 8 p.m. I've already considered prayer. I pray as well, and I always pray before the commencement of the webinar.
Okay.
Just try to adjust ourselves. It's just for 5 days. We've done 2 days already. So before we know it, I'm running.
I think it's okay since you are going to drop a video for us later on.
Once again, thank you guys for listening, and we'll meet again tomorrow by 8 p.m. If you have any contribution or anything you want to say about the webinar, any recommendations, feedback, positive, negative, and put it on the WhatsApp, and it should be well taken. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful night, guys.
Good night. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, boss.